Look, I know it's really late in the afternoon, half of my lawn is shaded, but it is looking spicy. Look at this. It's looking really, really, really good. Now I had to record this bit again because I had some trouble with my audio. I'm going to record what I did again because, yeah, like I said, I had some troubles with audio. Lawn's looking the best that it's ever really looked, and just having such a great season with the Lawnporn products, but also a fantastic time with the lawnmower because I just got my lawnmower serviced at ACMS, and that's what basically this video is about. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through having a mow with the mower, and I'm going to talk about ACMS throughout the mow because just mowed this with the cylinder. Totally a magnificent cut because it's got a fresh grind, the reel's grinded, the blades are sharp, it's all adjusted properly. The mower's just been totally gone over and it's just working just so sweetly. I wanted to really promote ACMS because they're a fantastic service. So let's get into the video, shall we? Adelaide cylinder mower service, I'll just say ACMS, shall I? ACMS, it's a lot to say. And I said service again, it's a specialist, Adelaide cylinder mower specialist. Anyway, ACMS, we'll just call it from that from now on, is a complete service. So not only will they grind the reel, but they'll also make sure that your bed knife is adjusted as well and sharpened, so because those two meet, so that's very important, so they mate each other, and everything else to do with the cylinder mower, so the service of the small engine and looking at all the parts, and Graeme, who's fantastic there, will let you know of any issues, any problems, and fix them. So it's a complete service from the smallest little hand reel mower, he'll do that, right up to the biggest thing with like 5 reels on it, the biggest green stuff, and that shows what kind of clients he has, basically from the homeowner right through to the turf professionals and everything in between. He's a great guy, he's definitely worth checking out. Now I've just had mine done, and you get this little sticker here, and it will tell you, grind, knife, service, I can't read upside down. Set. Oh, okay, set, and the date that it's done, and all his details there, and his phone number. Yeah. It's going to be all right little mow. Obviously, I've got this looking really, really nice at the moment. It's down to about, I think it's probably down, last cut I did was about 6 mil, and it's growing up quite a bit. It's at the end of its regulation. I only put down plant growth regulator a couple of days ago, and just for information, that was the 5th of November that I put it down. I put down 20 mils per 100 square meters. I went a bit harder, and instantly the weather is much cooler. Although it's sunny here today, it's only going to be 19 here today at Port Augusta, so I think we're in for a bit of a windy one. But the hot weather is going to be coming. And yeah, I just want that bit of extra control, and I could already see that it's engaged from the rebound. And yeah, barring a few areas, it's going to look all right. Now, the thing is as well, the lines probably will be a little bit funny today, even though, you know, this is a fantastic mower. It has been mowed with a mower that's got a different width, so it's going to be a little bit silly until it matures the cut here. And I think I've got this at around about 8 mils, just to around about 8 mils, and just see where I'll go with that. I've taken the teasing brush off simply because I'm just going to be finding my height first, so I didn't want to be mucking around with that if I was wildly out, because you know, 8 mil on this mower is different to an 8 mil on another mower, for sure.
So the cut that this is making, as you can see, looks absolutely superb and very precise. Look, cylinder mowers are a precise machine and they can be quite finicky. Anybody that's getting into the scene and getting into their cylinder mowers for the first time, I always like to tell them about the pitfalls of these machines. They're sensitive machines, they need to be accurate, quite finicky, they can be quite a muck around, and servicing and care can cost a lot more than what it does for a normal rotary mower. But the cut and the finish and getting it nice and low and just looking so precise and perfect is really worth the effort, in my opinion, and it's what really makes mowing for me and lawning for me very exciting and great to do. Hey, I just wanted you to know that I wasn't paid to do this promotion. It's something that I wanted to do off my own back, really to support Graeme. I consider Graeme a friend, not just my mower guy or my service guy. He's really passionate about what he does. He's very precise about what he does, and he gets great results. It's really fantastic business, and it's well worth promoting this business, in my opinion.
I'll just keep rolling. I'll just get the flag.
I really enjoyed bringing this type of content to you, but I need your help. So basically, like, subscribe. That really helps me out and helps me grow, and helps me create videos just like this to really inform you about things that are fantastic for the lawning scene. Thank you very much.
So I was getting a little bit lost in the lines there, but you know, I have been doing this putting green, so it's a bit shorter. You know, I really should have let it grow up, you know, to like 12 mil and cut it down to 8 mil or something like that, and that really shows the cut. But the cut of that was absolutely beautiful. Really enjoyed that. Definitely, if you're looking to get your cylinder mower serviced and you're in the Adelaide region, ACMS is the go. Get your lawn on. And that's in. You want to get a bit closer to that? Get your lawn on.